Hello, this is a tutorial video about Scholastic BookFlix for parents. This is the BookFlix homepage, what your child will see each time he or she logs on to the program. As you can see, all the fiction and non-fiction pairs are organized into 9 themes or categories that children can explore. That's more than 120 pairs, which is more than 240 titles to read. From animals and nature, to family and community, to music and rhyme, there's something for everyone, right? Also, notice the featured pair on your left. This pair changes every month. Isn't that great? Now, let's explore a theme, shall we? How about animals and nature? Tap on animals and nature to find out. Clicking on Animals and Nature will take us to a page where we can browse all the fiction, non-fiction pairs in this theme. Every pair here will definitely keep early readers engaged and build their general knowledge of the world. Look at the incredible variety of books from which students and teachers can choose. And these aren't just any books. These are classic children's stories and the highest quality related non-fiction. Certainly, there is a book that will appeal to every child's interest. Now, let's take a look at this pair, Goodnight Gorilla and Who Works at the Zoo, shall we? Each fiction, non-fiction pair has its own page that shows you all the reading materials and activities available for that pair. All of these materials can be accessed via the left navigation bar. Start by tapping Watch the Story here or here to watch the animated story by Western Woods. All the animated stories in BookFlix were produced by Western Woods. For those of you not familiar with Western Woods, they are the leaders in bringing classic children's books to life. Every single Western Woods title is painstakingly created, often working in conjunction with the author of the book.
Good Night, Gorilla by Peggy Rathbun. Good night, Gorilla.
Each animated story comes with a read-along option. If the read-along feature is activated as the story is playing, the feature enables readers to see each word highlighted on the screen as it is spoken aloud in the story. This is extremely beneficial to children as it helps them build word recognition and reading fluency. The BookFlix Story Player also has a mute button, and this can be used in conjunction with the read-along feature when you require children to read the story on their own. The player also has a full screen button here, which enlarges the video. This makes BookFlix perfect for storytime activities. After watching the story, direct your child to read the non-fiction ebook that relates to the topic. Click on Read the Book on the left navigation bar to read the book. Tap tap the full screen button on the top right of the book to enlarge the book. Tap the arrow on the right to turn to the next page. Tap the arrow on the left to return to the previous page. To zoom in any part of the book, tap the Zoom In button here. To return to the normal size, tap the Fit button right next to it. Children can read the book on their own, or they can click on the Read Along button to have the book read aloud to them. As with the Read Along feature in the animated stories, this provides a model for accuracy, expressiveness, and fluency.
Teamwork at the zoo. It takes many people working together to make a zoo run smoothly. First, let's meet a zookeeper. Splish splash, the zookeeper gives this elephant a bath. Zookeepers feed the animals too. Zookeepers also watch the animals each day and write a report. In a report, the zookeeper writes how the animals act and what they eat.
With text highlighting, the Read Along feature helps early readers to recognize words and develop their reading fluency. Notice how the BookFlix ebook simulates the look and feel of a real book. This is a great way to really reinforce in your child an excitement about books and reading. While reading the ebook, you will notice that a number of key vocabulary words highlighted in yellow. When you roll over this word with your mouse, you can see a definition of this key vocabulary word and hear the definition read out loud.
Habitat, where a plant or animal usually lives.
This helps beginning readers, striving readers, and English language learners to enhance their vocabulary.